Okay students, welcome back. I am going to present one more video. See, find the equation of the ellipse. Find the equation of the ellipse in the form of x minus h whole square by a square plus y minus k whole square by b square equal to 1 with the following data. What is given? First one, center equal to 2 comma minus 1 and one end of the major axis is 2 comma minus 5 and also given eccentricity equal to 1 by 3 is given. The first point. Second one, center equal to 2 comma minus 1, length of the lattice rectum equal to 4 and equal to 1 by 2. See, once again, let me read the problem. Find the equation of the ellipse in the form of x minus h whole square by square, y minus k whole square b square equal to 1, and center equal to 2 comma minus 1, one end of the major axis 2 comma minus 1, 2 comma minus 5, okay, eccentricity 1 by 3, here 2 comma minus 1, eccentricity 1 by 2, and the length of the lattice rectum equal to 4. Okay, if everything is okay. Okay, this is the information given you to find the equation of the ellipse in this form, that is x minus h whole square by square plus y minus k whole square by b square equal to 1. See, actually our standard form is x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. This is when the origin is 0, 0 or when the center is 0, 0. Here the origin is shifted to the point h comma k. So then the ellipse is in this form. Now write what is given. Center C and T of center of the ellipse equal to 2 comma minus 1, okay, and one end of the major axis is 2 comma minus 5 and eccentricity equal to 1 by 3. See, this is first bit. With this information, let us find the equation of the ellipse in this form. Center means this is h comma k. Okay. One thing you observe here, the x coordinate of the center and the x coordinate of the major axis are equal. X coordinate of center and major axis are equal. It means what happened? The axis is parallel to y axis. How? See, suppose in our chord geometry, let me take a point. This is 2 comma 0. This is 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 2 comma 3. Okay, like this. Here 2 comma minus 1, 2 comma minus 2. Suppose see, if you join all these points, here the x coordinates are same, then the line join is parallel to y axis. In the same way, here the x coordinates are equal in center and one end of the major axis, then the axis is parallel to y axis. Now find the distance between C to the one end of the major axis, that is B equal to distance between 2 points formula. See, 2 minus 2 whole square plus minus 1 plus 5 whole square. These two cancel here. This is root of 16 equal to 4. 5 minus 1, 4. 4 square means 4. So we have b equal to 4. See, we know a square equal to b square into 1 minus e square. In this condition, a square equal to b square into 1 minus e square. See, a square equal to b square 16 minus 1 by, what is the value of e? 1 by 3 means 1 by 9, which is equal to 16 into 9 minus 1 by 9, 16 into 8 by 9, that is a square value. Okay, we have a square equal to 16 into 8 by 9. Now we have to find b square. Okay, we already know the b value, b equal to 4. See, what is this one? If you multiply, what happened? 16, 6 8 ja 48. 128, I think. See, 128 by 4. See, a square. So, what is our standard form? Here, x minus h. X minus h. Our h is here 2. X minus 2 whole square by a square. A square means 128 by 9 plus y minus k. Our k equal to minus 1. So, y plus 1 whole square by b square. b equal to 4b square means 16 equal to 1, or 9 into x minus 2 whole square by 128 equal to y plus 1 whole square by 16 equal to 1. Okay, we ask in this form only, so you leave it. Okay, this is the form. See, once again you see, you find the value b, and from that you find b square, and with this relation you find a square value. You can get a square and b square. Already you have h and k values. You substitute in this required form of the ellipse, you can get answer. See, one more bit is given to you. What is that one? See. Now, center equal to 2 comma minus 1, and length of the lattice rectangle equal to 4 and equal to 1 by 2. Image eccentricity is given. See, again, center equal to 2 comma minus 1. It means we have h comma k values. Okay. Length of lattice rectangle. Length of lattice rectangle equal to, 2b square by a formula. It is given, it is equal to 4. And E, eccentricity equal to 1 by 2 is given. Okay. Here see, 2b square by a equal to 4 means 2b square equal to 8. 2b square equal to 4a. 2b square by a equal to 4 means 2b square equal to 4a, or b square equal to 4a by 2 means 2a. So we have b square value equal to 2a. Okay. Now we want to find the a. Okay, want a. And is there any information? B square equal to a square into 1 minus e square. B square equal to a square into 1 minus e square. Okay. What is b square? B square equal to 2a. 2a, or one thing you do, equal to a square minus a square e square. A square minus a square e square. Because you know the value of e equal to a square minus a square into, what is e? E equal to 1 by 2 given. 1 by 2 means 1 by 4. Or a square minus a square by 4 means 3a square by 4. 3a square. It is equal to b square. B square equal to 3a square by 4. See, but b square equal to 2a. So 2a equal to 3a square by 4. It means you cross multiplication. What happened? Cross multiplication. It is implies 3a square equal to 8a, or 3a equal to 8. You cancel a both sides. Then a equal to 8 by 3. We have a value 8 by 3. See, we want a square equal to 64 by 9. See, in this required form of the ellipse, we have a square value and h value k also. Now we want b square, but we have b square is 2a, and b square value is in terms of 2a. See, here b square equal to 2 into what is a? A equal to 8 by 3, which is equal to 16 by 3. B square equal to 16 by 3. A square equal to 64 by 9. You substitute these values in this required form. What is our ellipse? See, x minus h2 whole square by a square 64 by 9. This is 64 by 9 plus y minus k. What is our k here? Minus 1. Minus of minus means plus whole square by b square 16 by 3. See, now equal to 1. Now see the answer. 9 times of 9 times of x minus 2 whole square by 64 plus 3 minus 3 into 3 times of y1 plus whole square equal to 16 equal to 1. So no need of LCM here because you asked in this form. So leave it. See, this is also an important problem. In earlier public examination, this problem is given. Okay. See, I hope you understood this problem. Thank you.